What's going on, everybody? It's Bigrigfrosty Gaming, and I got a quick video today that's going to show you how to support a streamer you enjoy for free. That's if you have Amazon Prime already. That's right, if you have Amazon Prime, I'm going to show you how to support a Twitch streamer without paying 1 penny, and you can do that every month. It'll recycle every month. It'll give you a free supporter gift. All right, so starting off, you're going to have a Twitch account. Very simple. Just Google Twitch. You're going to see this pop up. Click on it. I already have an account, so, you know, for you, it'll say create account if it's your first time. And it's pretty simple. It's free, just like any other gaming platform. You just create an account, give yourself a name, yada, yada. And that's the first step you got to do. That's it. You will be, like, if you're watching someone, you can gift them a free sub. But first, you're going to have to link the account. So you made your Twitch account. Now I'm going to show you how to take care of the other part. So you're going to go to your Amazon account. And like I said, you got to be a Prime member of Amazon. You're going to click right here where it says Accounts and Lists. Click on that. It's going to bring up this screen, your account. Scroll down. Right in this digital content and devices box, you're going to scroll, well, not scroll, you're just going to look down. You'll see Twitch settings right here. Click on that. And then you're going to see your name you created on Twitch pop up, and or it might not. It's going to say link account. You're just going to, mine's already linked. You're going to click link account, and then bada bing, bada boom, that's it. And then you can go right back to Twitch. And let's just, for example, let's just, I don't know what this girl's doing, but let's click into her chat. Turn that volume off. If we were wanting to gift her a sub, you just enter in her chat and you'll see, you know, different options here. You can do the bits, or you can do, that's stickers and crap. How do you subscribe? All right, so if you were to subscribe, you'll see gift a sub or subscribe. I've already used mine for the month, but if you're a Prime member, you're going to see subscribe. If I click here, it's going to pop up. If you had a free one, it's going to show up because you have it linked. I'm not going to do this. I've never heard of her, so but I'm just giving you an example. All right, and that's pretty much it. That's a free way to support any streamer out there. Would love you to support me if possible. If not, I get it. This is more of a video on showing you how to do it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if it helped you out on getting it all set up. And go enjoy watching your streamers you enjoy out there. It's Bigrigfrosty Gaming. I'm over, and I'm out of here. Have a good one.